Tracking expenses is critical for your business, but keeping track of every single receipt just isn't always realistic. Look, I get it. Receipts get lost. They fade over time, pile up in random drawers and pockets or in the middle console of your car if you're like me. But the good news is you don't actually need paper receipts to stay organized. There are smarter ways to keep track of your expenses without the stress of saving every single tiny slip of paper. And the best way to do this is to go digital. Instead of stuffing receipts in a drawer, snap a quick picture as soon as you get it. Apps like Dex, HubDoc, or Google Drive let you store receipts instantly so you don't have to go digging through those shoe boxes with piles of paper when tax time comes. For cash expenses, I always recommend writing a quick note on the receipt before taking a picture. Just write down paid in cash or any extra details like what the expense was for so you don't forget later when you're doing your bookkeeping. This is really just going to help you avoid confusion when you're looking back at your records. Another simple habit is organizing your digital copies. Create folders in your Google Drive or wherever it is that you're storing your receipts labeled by month, supplier, or category so you can find things easily. If you're using accounting software like QuickBooks, a really good practice that I use for my own bookkeeping clients is making sure I upload receipts and documentation for every single transaction. So this is a really great way to just make sure that you have a clean audit trail should the CRA come knocking. Now, a question that I get from a lot of bookkeeping clients is, well, I have my bank statements. Do I really need receipts? And although bank statements could technically be enough since they show where and when you made a purchase, relying on those alone can be a little risky. Statements don't always include enough details, so if you can't remember what a charge was for, or if multiple purchases for the same supplier look really similar, having the actual receipt as backup makes everything a whole lot clearer. Plus, if you ever get audited, having a copy of the receipt on hand is going to make everything so much easier. The key here is consistency. Instead of scrambling at tax time, track expenses as you go. With the right system in place, you can completely ditch the paper clutter, stay compliant, and always have accurate records.